Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we'll continue with our 2D tutorial and focus on player damage. The player will be able to take damage, and we'll also see the health bar. In the last video, we gave the player the ability to move and jump. Now let's add a health bar. We'll use a slider, with red as the background and green as the fill. Now let's create the script. The player will be able to take damage. We'll use the H key for testing since we don't have enemies yet. When the player takes damage, they will have a period of invincibility where they'll flash. Once the invincibility time ends, the player will be able to take damage again. Let's create the variables. Now the start function. The update function. Let's create the take damage function. This function will apply damage and start the invincibility period. Now let's create the invincibility system. Put the script and the player, and don't forget to assign all the variables. Let's test it. Oops, I forgot to assign the graphics variable. Now we have a working system. In the next video, we'll see how to add basic enemies. Goodbye.